On this episode, we're going to try something a little fun for fall. It's a fun fall food festival. We're going to show you a trilogy of crock pot items that you can make very easily at home. The next iteration of our crock pot trilogy is going to involve making Hungarian goulash. Again, we've taken approximately 2 to 3 pounds of beef and we've braised it. We have about 3 onions that are thinly sliced, and then we have the paprika, 6 ounces of tomato paste. We have about 1/4 cup of bacon fat, about 2.5 cups of beef broth, 3 cloves of garlic that have been minced, 3 bay leaves, and about 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt. So to start this, I'm going to put the onions into the crock pot. I'll follow that with the braised beef. And again, we braise the beef in order to make it moister as it cooks. It seals the beef so that it cooks more evenly. To this, I'm going to add about half of the beef broth. I will add the 6 ounces of tomato paste. I'm going to mix this up a little bit before I put it in the pot so that it blends evenly with all the components that are in the pot. So now we've incorporated the tomato paste in with part of the beef stock. I'm going to add in the 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, depending on what your taste is. And I'll also add approximately 1/4 cup of bacon fat. The bacon fat gives the stew a little bit better mouthfeel, and it also adds to the flavor because of the bacon flavor that's in the fat. To this, I'm going to add the minced garlic, and I'll finally add the bay leaves. And just gently stir these so I don't break the bay leaves up. I'm going to pour this on top of the meat. And I'll add the rest of the beef stock. We put the lid on, and we'll cook this at low for approximately 6 to 8 hours. This is our Hungarian goulash. As you can see in the cooking process over 8 hours that the volume has decreased because of the incorporation of the liquid into the meat and the vegetables becoming softer. I'm going to put some in a bowl for you. And you can see it's very thick. It'll be a great meal on a cool evening for the fall. I hope you try this at home, and I hope you enjoy.